Hello everyone, today we have a 2015 Toyota Tacoma 4x4 with the access cab and the V6, and that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. Alright, so it does have the fog lights out front, alloy wheels, and you see that it does have a canopy set up on it. And there is the receiver. It also has additional running boards right there that you can add if you'd like to. And I will add a couple of photos of this canopy. It's in excellent condition. Alright, so I'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. See, it does have rear jump seats. Suicide doors for that rear. I'll go ahead and show you the VIN right here. Alright, and as we come down here, you'll see that it has 55,614 miles on this vehicle. Okay, and then you have your push to talk, your cruise control, your stereo controls, and here's your cruise control right here. And there's your ignition, 2- and 4-wheel drive, and there's your stereo, which does have AM, FM, and Bluetooth. And then it also has disc drive as well. And it is set up for navigation. And you'll need an SD card for that navigation, it looks like. And then you'd be able to do traffic, weather. And if you want to see the backup camera, you can go ahead and pop it in reverse. There's your backup camera. And turn this off so that it'll show up better. It was in night mode. So there's your backup camera. Okay. So as we come down here, you got your comfort controls, 2 12-volt outlets. This is your auxiliary and USB. Cup holders, shifter, another cup holder. And additional stowage down there. Then up here, you've got your glasses holders, and map reading lights. That about wraps it up for this Toyota on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. It had sustained some damage ranging from this front passenger quarter panel around to the rear driver quarter panel. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and a state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.